Welcome. In this video, we will cover the 4 keys needed to ask any question. These are commonly known as the power words in English. Consider a statement like, I like cricket. To turn this into a question, we need a key, which is an auxiliary verb, to unlock the question. This is known as the locked door problem. Group 1 is the state, using am, is, or are. These auxiliary verbs indicate a state and are used when there is no action involved. A state is an identity or a feeling, a condition, not an action. For example, he is tired, or I am a teacher. Remember, sleeping is an action, but being tired is a state. Group 2 is the action, using do or does. These are the action captains and are used when there is an action verb in the sentence. A common mistake is using are with an action like, are you play cricket? The correct way is to use do, as in, do you play cricket? Actions include words like go, eat, play, or think. A key rule to remember is the does rule. Does is a thief. It steals the S from the verb. For example, he plays becomes does he play. Group 3 is possession, using have or has. This group is used for ownership and when an action is done or complete. The 2 faces of have or has are ownership, such as I have a car, and just finished, like I have eaten, meaning the action is complete. Here is a summary of the mental map for auxiliary verbs. The keys are am/are for no action, do/does for yes action, have/has for ownership, and will for the future. For homework, write 3 sentences. 1 about your state using am, 1 about your habit using do, and 1 about an object you own using have. See you in the next video.